हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज की वीडियो में जानेंगे किसी भी ड्रॉप डाउन से वैल्यू कैसे सेलेक्ट करते हैं इफ इट इज ड्रॉप डाउन ऑफ टाइप सेलेक्ट. So what are these select drop downs? There are basically three types of drop downs that we are going to deal with in Playwright Automation. Okay, so select drop downs are those drop downs in which if you click, then all the options will be present. But there are also two other types of drop down like multi select or type ahead drop down. So what happens in type ahead? If you start typing in, then the drop down options will be visible to you. And what happens in multi select? Rather than selecting only one value from the drop down, you can select multiple values. But today, as depicted over here in the diagram, you can see that we are going to select this kind of a drop down which contains always some form of values visible to the user, and we can only select one value from this particular type of drop down. Okay, so this is the scope of our lecture, and let's start doing the coding part for it. Okay, so till now I have already navigated to this particular website, and now into this particular website, which is amazon.in. This is the drop down with which we are going to deal it. So right click on it, click on inspect element, and you will be seeing that if you try to expand this select tag, you will be seeing various attributes present over here, right? Like option is shown over here, and the value is this. So all the values are present onto this particular drop down in the form of a select tag, right? So this is why you can say that this is a static drop down, or you can also say that it can be a form of a select drop down. Okay, so now let's start creating the locator of it. Okay, see how to find it uniquely. I'm doing this control F, and now we will be creating the locator so that we are able to find all the elements within this particular drop down. So what we are going to do, okay, we are going to make use of this select tab, and let's say try with this combination. If the class name is there, try with, right? So what I am going to do is that we are going to make use of this particular class like dot class, right? But it is showing that there are two classes available, right? Somewhere other and somewhere here. So over here what I mean to say is that let's try to make it even more unique. So in order to make it unique, you can make use of select tag like select dot class name, right? So select dot class name. See, now all the options will be coming over here, and we'll be selecting them in the basis of some text that are present over here, right? So first of all, this is the locator that we had been able to find. So page dot locator. Okay, this is your locator that we have found, and this locator will be returning you a list of or multiple drop down elements. So allow me to store it somewhere. Let's say uh, drop down elements, right? So I have saved it onto this variable name as drop down elements. Now what we are going to do is that we will be selecting some of the values, right? Drop down elements dot select option. So there are various options available. Whichever we want, we can just type in over here. Okay, allow me to, let's say I want to say Amazon pharmacy, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write it over here, Amazon pharmacy. In later on lectures, we can type in dynamically, we can with the help of JSON file, Excel files, data driven. So don't worry about that, but as of now we are just understanding the concept. And since some action is required, so we will be writing await over here, right? And if it will be so fast that you won't be able to see it, that is why we are making use of page pause. Okay, so this is the only thing that we are going to understand onto this particular lecture. Now let's just try to run it. This is your file name, and I want to run it onto headed mode so that Amazon browser opens up. Okay, let's see whether my locator is correct or not, whether it is selecting this value or not. Hit enter. Your execution has already started. See, it has successfully selected Amazon pharmacy. Okay, in the same way, guys, if I want, I can select any other value, whatever you want at feel at any point in time, right? So if I want to select, let's say, software from over here, so it will be able to select software. So the code that we have written is absolutely fine and working as well. Just save your file and run it. Awesome. So guys, this code is actually working, and in my upcoming lectures, what we are going to do is that we are going to understand like how to handle some radio buttons or some checkboxes kind of stuff, right? So this was all about this lecture, guys. Thank you for your time and patience, and please like and subscribe my channel if you could do. It will boost me to prepare even more content in a better way. So thanks a lot.